it's all hand tightened, so. I just don't know which way I'm going. Oh, there it is. So that does that. Then that side's off that. And those come undone.
Wow, they're easy, aren't they?
They're real easy, man. Does it? But they have to be. You have to make a real point of going around. So once you put it all on, I start there and I check every single one, because if they come undone, man, it's a pain in the butt. So that takes a shoe off. The shoes only go on one way. Oh, I'll do one and show you.
So you can always put them on the right way.
Yeah. So I've got it's pretty much 2 of these per shoe, and that's the hole that you get. So you can see that the shoe, there's no other way of putting the shoe on where those holes line up properly. It's only that way. Yeah. And same with this, it'll only go that way.
Someone must have really figured that out at some point.
They do have different shoe styles now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all that. Oops. And it doesn't matter which 2 these go in. There are some more to put 3 on, but you don't need them. The guy who I bought it off said you don't need them, and I've never used them, so I go around, I tighten them all up, and then I go through it and religiously tighten everyone. I've had one come off, and man, that was unpleasant.
What was that? Why, to come flying off?
Just goes flying, man, it's ridiculous. So now when you put it back on, this is actually the hard part. There's a slot there, and so you have to line the slot up with a slot on this. Okay. And it's done really well to make it as easy as it can, but it's just one of those things where it's like, oh, no matter how you try to line it up, because it's so tight fitting. Yeah. It's so tight fitting. So I'm wondering if I should put some CRC on that.
I've got some here.
You might have. Oh man, I got it on easy. It's not on. I just need to lift it up. Oh, I'm not going to lift that up.
Maybe some CRC, yeah?
Maybe some grease. Maybe grimy grease. I'll just try and tighten it on with this, if it goes in. Yeah, that's gone in. I'll just try and tighten it on. And next time you use it, when we use it in Hastings, when we score that job in Hastings,
we'll take some grease, we'll get some grease.
In fact, I think that is actually on, if I did get it on. That's tight now. That's pretty cool, eh?
Cool.
Maybe for the first time that you're using it, you're going for half an hour or something like that, and then turn it off. Next time you go to use it, put it onto reverse. Just because what it does is it gives it even wear of the shoes.
Even wear of the shoes, yeah.
Yep. So so it hits like as you feel, really. So that's another smart design. Alright. Cool.
What's the name of it?
This is called operating control. There's your emergency stop. You never lift it off the floor. You always hit stop. You lift it off the floor, you can gouge the floor massively. 2, the shoes could go flying in any direction. So you never lift it off. Always leave it flat. Always leave it flat. Hit stop. So that's key. That's why it's red. Whatever happens, bang, it'll stop. It has a cut-off box in here, so you can run this off normal power. So most of them run off 3-phase, and it'll trip here, not at the box. So you don't have to worry about tripping out anything else. It'll trip here, and all you need to do is turn it off, let it sit for a moment, and then turn it on. Pretty simple, man. Brilliant in that design, because that's a real you're putting off and trip. So that is what is so cool about this particular design, Kiwi made, is that it has 3-phase. It's a single phase. You can turn the speed up. If you turn the speed up too high,